since the time that mGoldex was introduced here in the Philippines, 2-3 months after that, a lot of companies now are rising, local companies that are rising, offering cheaper matrix to Filipinos. It's because really the power of peso against euro is very, very, very low. So euro is very powerful. So anyway, I would like to read this. This is actually a disclaimer. This is not the system of mGoldex. Please, this is not, I would just want to make it clear, this is not the system of mGoldex. This is not a replacement to the system of mGoldex, nor copycat intended for profit. Okay? This is not intended for profit, but rather protection to current clients of mGoldex. Why? It's because local companies now are rising in the Philippines and giving cheaper matrix. No? That in every cycle, that every table that their cycle is done, is finished, they will get a certain percentage from the table. So here I'm gonna show you that once you're gonna use this system, once you're gonna utilize this technique strategy, it will give the client the full reward. No percentage is cut. It will give the full reward, and he will see the flow and the transparency of the table. Why is this important? It is important. It's because we all know, come on guys, we all know that matrix system can be manipulated, most especially in table 2, table 3, table 4, and so on. But the good news is, mGoldex have already proven that they're not doing this. Why? For 5 years, they have proven this to the world already, that their matrix system is not manipulated. So, now, I'm not gonna go through about the benefit, but you could read it on that screen. See, I could post that in you. And here. So, how does this work? Actually, it will need just 2,000 pesos. No? This is not mGoldex, okay? This is a system to protect clients. Now, I'm gonna make a system to protect the clients of mGoldex. So, how much will it cost? It's only 2,000, and it's a 1x2 matrix to start. So, meaning to say, you and invited 1, 2, and that's it. You could start already. And it's not a 15 slot, which other companies are offering. It's only a 4 slots. 4 person needed to level up. And how much are you going to earn from this? It will be unlimited 12K or unlimited 9K, which is good for preliminary table or for mini-link. So, ito po, nakaka-excite po talaga kasi po, ito na po yung sinasabi ko na tutulong po talaga sa inyo. Bakit po? Kasi we don't need to join another companies na kakaltasan naman ang reward. So, dito po, buong buo. Anong pumasok, anong para sa inyo, So, how does this work? Ito siya po. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, this is it. This is one of the system na mangyayari. We will start on 1x2, which is you could see on the left, upper right. So this is the entry stage. This is the 1x2. Like, it's only for 2K, and if you could invite, syempre, we will continue to do the 1+2 strategy of mGoldex. So ang gagawin lang po is mag-i-invite po kayo ng dalawa, and 2K lang po yon. Diba? So hindi na mahirap, tama ba? Diba? Nakaka-excite, diba? Like from 36,000, from 34,000, pero ngayon 2,000 na lang. So napaka-imposible na po kung hindi nyo makukuha pa yan. No? Now, eto po, start lang po tayo ng 2,000, then mag-invite ka ng dalawa na nagbayad din ng 2,000. Immediately, pag meron kang dalawa, ikaw na nag-invite, pwede ka nang pumasok doon sa tinatawag nating Only 9K. So, ito po yung structure ng Only 9K. Papasok ka sa first table ng Only 9K. Now, pag nag-exit ka na po dyan, automatically you will earn 9,000 pesos. No? That's 9,000 pesos. Now, actually po, kung makikita mo, 3,000 each slot yan sa apat. Right? 3,000 each slot sa apat. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kung meron pumapasok doon, nag-3, 6, 9, 12. So, dapat ang marireceive na nag-exit is 12. Bakit 9 lang? 9K lang. It's because po, niless natin yung 3,000 kasi mag-auto re-entry siya sa another table. And guess what, guys? Lahat po ito, movement po ito, makikita nyo lahat. Transparent po. No, transparent po. So, malalaman natin if manipulated ba siya. Di ba? So, this is the difference po ng manual at ng automatic. So, dito, makikita talaga natin na everything is in place. Now, once nag-exit ka ng 9K, that is already good for preliminary table. So, kung meron ng 9,000, syempre from 2,000 mo, winurk out mo yan because you could not afford the 9,000 pesos. So, pag winurk out mo, pag exit mo, meron ka ng 9,000, now you could afford the 150 euro. Imagine that, 9,000, 150 euro. So, once you have this, you could now enter the mGoldDex preliminary table. So, that's how it works. No? And, to further explain things, I also have the another option. So you have two options here. You all start in 1 by 2, getting to invite, having 2,000. Then you are going to choose preliminary table or mini to mini table. So here is my presentation of the mini link. Here, this is it. So it's still 1 by 2. We all start on 1 by 2. No? Invite 2, that is very, very important. Then once you could invite 2, you will have now a 4K, which you could get it to get the account on the first table of what we called only 12,000, only 12K. So again, 4K every slot on the top. That's 4 slots available. You only get 4K. You will get 16K when you exit. But since we have auto re-entry, we will have to less the 4K. Ima-minus po natin yon. So ang matatangkap nyo na lang po is 12,000 in the first exit. Now, pag natapos nyo naman yung first table, automatic na din po kayong pupunta na naman sa pangalawang table, no? Hanggang maitutulak lang po kayo kasi magtutulakan lang po to, di ba? We will fill the first level talaga. So talagang maipupush down. Wala po tayong hintayan. So maipupush down. So ang maganda dito, join now as early as you could, invite as early as you could para ma-push down ka at mag-exit ka sa only 12,000. Now, pagdating mo sa second table, no, pagdating mo po dyan, at na-fill up na naman yung apat kasi diba, 4 slots lang i-fill, hindi 8 slots na gaya ng iba, 4 lang po. So, apat na tag 4K, that's 16,000, pero i-less na naman auto re-entry, so meron na namang table 3. So, don't worry about transparency po kasi po ipapakita natin to saan napupunta ang inyong head. So, pagdating sa second table, magkakaroon ka na naman ng 12,000. So, kung i-total natin, meron ka ng 24,000. That's a good for mini link. So, pwede ka nang pumasok sa mini link. So, ito na po ang mGoldDex proper. So, again, hindi po to, ang sistema pinapakita ko is not intended for profit, but it is intended for protection against sa mga companies na nag-o-offer ng murang matrix but hindi naman binibigay ang full reward nila. No, pasensya na po. No harmful intent. Nagnegosyo lang po tayo. No, mga sir, mga ma'am, no, huwag po kayo magagalit at nagnegosyo lang po naman tayo. So, I'm doing this to protect also my business. No, ayoko naman mahirapan din yung mga clients, yung mga kapartners ko. So, team leaders, if you have watched this system, please PM me. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang details. Pwede nyo po itong kopyahin. I could not agree more. Bakit hindi? So, gawin nyo po. No, mga ibang ka-teams sa ibang ka-team leaders. But of course, viewers, yung hindi pa member ng mGoldex or hindi pa nakaranas ng matrix system, ingat din po naman po kayo kung saan kayo mag-join. Baka yung ginoin nyo is ginaya lang yung presentation ko, pagkatapos yun na, nawala na siya. So please, do some research naman po. And please, wag nyo akong sisihin, baka sabihin nyo dahil sa akin, no? Sabihin nyo dahil sa akin, so wag nyo po akong sisihin kung ganun ang mangyari sa inyo. Sana hindi naman po ganun. So, that's it. Ito po yung sistema natin, no? Ito po yung sistema natin. Then, pwede tayong mag-drawing, no? Para mas malinaw talaga. Right? Pwede natin i-drawing. So, I will start with the preliminary table, this one. Ito po. So, ito, i-drawing na natin. Like example po, meron ka pong na-invite, no? May gustong pumasok. Ayun. So, ikaw, nagbayad ka ng 2,000, tapos yung invite mo na dalawa, nagbayad din ng 2,000. So, automatic po, ikaw, pupunta ka po sa kabila. Ito na po yung only 9K. Ito yung preliminary table. So, syempre po, hindi ka naman mag-start sa ilalim. Ang mag-start ka talaga sa first level, which is 4 lang ang i-fill nito. So, dito ka mag-start, excuse me. Yung level 2 and level 1, may tao na po dyan. So, dito ka mag-start. Now, kung meron na naman mag-join, like sa akin, or iba, like ito, sample, ito si Juan, no, gusto mag-join, nakuha din siya ng 2 downlines siya, automatic din po siya mapupunta dito. Yan. Now, example po, yung downline 1, meron din kumuha dyan, automatic din po siya mapunta doon. Hanggang ma-fill ang mga empty slots. Yun. Pag nag-fill ang empty slots, mag-split po siya, magle-level up po. So, ito siya, pupunta na po sa second table. Yan ang mangyayari. So, ganun lang po, hanggang ma-fill up na naman. So, kung meron mag-join, the faster you join, the faster you could invite, the more ka naman na mapupush down, the more ka naman magle-level up. No? So, example, ito, meron din naman nag-join, ayun, papasok na naman po siya doon. So, again and again, paulit-ulit lang po yan, no? Basta lahat pumasok sa 1/2, no? Pag nag-qualify siya, papasok siya sa table ng only 9,000. After the only 9,000, of course po, dyan sa only 9,000, patuloy lang po yan kasi nagre-re-entry kayo. So, tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. Habang may pumapasok from 1/2, habang nag-i-invite po kayo, nag-i-invite po tayo, tuloy lang po yan. Paikot lang po yan. So, unlimited na ang 9,000 natin. Then, of course, pag nag-exit tayo sa first table nitong only 9,000, meron na tayong 9K. So, pwede na tayong pumasok po sa preliminary table ng mGoldex. So, ganun po ang sistema. So, guys, warning lang po, no? Warning lang po. Okay, seryoso po tayo. Pag makita nito ng mga tao, for sure, which is I recommend din also sa mga team leaders na gagayahin nila. However po, let me warn you na marami na po ang nag-scam na mismong clients sila ng mGoldex. Niloloko po nila yung mga tao, no? Merong iba dyan hindi ini-encode, meron yung iba kinukuha lang yung pera. So please, kung gayahin man nila ito at medyo kabado kayo, please research po kayo. So please, dumugtong kayo or magpa-member kayo sa taong kilala nyo. Then, if you want, PM me. Meron po akong meron po tayong pag-uusapan kung gusto mong dumugtong dito sa ginawa kong sistema. Again, be warned, marami na pong nag-scam. Kaya ingat po tayo. Hindi ko sinabing huwag kayong pong sumali sa kanila. Ang gusto ko lang is be vigilant, yung mag-ingat. So, eto na po, yan na po ang sistema natin. Maraming salamat.